Okay, Marie had a question on number 24 of the quiz. Professor Halen has 184 students in his mathematics lecture class. The scores on the midterm exam are normally distributed with a mean of 72.3 and a standard deviation of 8.9. How many students should we expect with scores above 72.3? This is just basically a conceptual question. If you think of what I mean by normally distributed, it means we come in, we got an average, and based on that, the normal curve will look like that. If I were to take that average right up to the point, half the people will be above that, half the people will be below the average. And in this case, I gave the standard deviation just to throw you off a bit, but the standard, the average is actually 72.3. So how many students should we expect with above? How many students should we expect with scores above 72.3? Half of them. So half of 184 is 92. 92 is the correct answer.